Hi, and welcome to RedTrack Unlock short tutorial videos. Today we will answer one very simple but popular question. What do we do if there are existing parameters in your ads account? We'll use Facebook as an example. So in all our guides, we ask you to go into your RedTrack campaigns, copy these tracking parameters, and add to your ads manager so RedTrack can do the tracking. And what do you do if you already have some parameters like UTMs in a Facebook ad account, like in our example? Well, RedTrack is not supposed to replace, although it can, all the other tools you have in place. It can perfectly work in parallel. So you don't delete all the parameters you have already unless you want to. What you do is just add another symbol, copy RedTrack parameters, and append them to your existing URL. Even if they duplicate, like in here you have UTM source, UTM medium, don't worry, everything will work fine because their values are the same, they will be captured the same, and no harm is done. So that's it. That's what you need to do to use RedTrack with any existing parameters you already have. As the same will be true for any other ad managers that you'll be working with. Just you don't have to delete them. Just append tracking parameters from RedTrack and save. Thank you. This was a brief tutorial video for RedTrack Unlock and using RedTrack parameters together with your existing tracking parameters in your ads managers. Thank you.